Okay, good day. Inserting a table of contents into Microsoft Word is actually very easy. I'm going to show you a very easy method, the automatic generation of a table of contents. If you go to your Home tab of the ribbon, you will see these formatting options here, the different styles. Now, look at these: heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. It can actually go up to heading 9. Those are the different styles for different levels of your table of content. Let's just stick with one level first. So I can select my first heading. How do I do that? I move my pointer to the left-hand margin and click once. That will select a line. If you click twice, you will see you select a paragraph. If you click 3 times, you will select the whole document. So what we want is we want to select one line and click on heading 1. You will see the formatting has changed. You can still go and change your font and your font size if you want to. I'm just going to leave it like that because I like it. So do that with everyone. And of course, I love shortcuts. So let me show you this little shortcut. It's a formatting technique. So if you want to apply the same formatting to different sections of the document, you use your Format Painter up here in the clipboard section of the home ribbon. If you click it once, it will only work once, but if you double click it, it will work for as long as you want to, and then you press, what's going on? Right, so can you see the pointer changing? It has this little brush. So move to the left hand again and just select by clicking once. This one has 2 lines to it, so it becomes a paragraph. So you have to click twice. And there's another one. There's another one. Another one that has 2 lines. So double click. And there we have it. Now I press the escape button to go out of this mode. Right, so we go to the top of the document, Control Home. And where do I want this table of content? I don't want it above my title. The title is French Revolution. So actually, go away. I want it there. Okay, and where do we find it? In the References tab of the ribbon. On the left-hand side, click on Table of Content, and there you will see your little previews. For the automatic generation, what we are doing here, there are only 2 options. The one has the heading Contents, the other one has the heading Table of Contents. This is the one that I'm going to choose. Oops, it still has French Revolution as a heading, as a subsection. So I'm going to choose to select Going Home, and I'm going to make that a title. Okay, and now I can go to my table of content, update my table, and it's gone. Right, so that's better. And I can still add a space there to make it better. Oh, I can even go here and add a space. Yeah, I like that. Okay, so one other thing is, if you want different levels, let's choose one. Let's say, there's something about financial reform. So let's make this a subheading, Financial Reform. And I'm going to select it and make that a heading 2. and you can see the difference in formatting. So I can go back to my table of content, click there, update the table, and there we see financial reform. It has a little indent, and yes, so I can see that that is a subheading. And yes, as you see, you can update the table. You can even still change it to this one if you want to. Right. Oh, let's just again add the space. There we go. So you can now go and edit your document. If you need to have that on a new page, you can insert your page breaks just to make the document look better. Okay, so that is it for table of contents. Quite easy, nah?